Alright, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to do this, that is to draw network diagram. You see the network diagram we drew in the previous videos. Now this video is just focused on how to draw the network diagram. Now don't worry, these are activities, okay, codes of activities. They can represent any activity, but we are just going to focus on how to draw the network in this video. So don't worry about what activity is this. Don't worry about the duration. We just focus on how to draw the network. So now, since this first one, activity A, has no predecessor, that means activity A will be the first activity. Do we get that? Activity A has no predecessor. That means he will be the first what? Activity. And all activities has beginning. This is the activity. And it has what? An end. We have successfully drawn activity A. We have successfully drawn this one. Are we together? Now, to draw this part, it means activity B comes out of activity A. Meaning we have to draw activity B coming out from A. I drew it upwards because A also have other activity coming out of it. So B is coming out of A, C is coming out of A. Are we following? So once A ends, B is coming out, and what? C is coming out. Of course, ending. The end of A is the start of B, and it's the start of C. Are we together? So this is my drawing. Let me make this a bit neat. Okay, a bit neat. Okay, a bit better. All right, so we have drawn with that. Now with this, now we have drawn what? We have drawn this, which is this part. We've also drawn this, which is this part. We've also drawn this, which is this part. Are we together? Now please bear in mind there's something our lecturer said, that sometimes you may have to draw and redraw. Okay, so there is, okay, let's just continue. Okay, draw and redraw. Why? Because taking B this way, we just drew it that way, but considering the things that will be coming out of B and may later join up to C, sometimes it's best to put C on top and put B down. So let's just go step by step. I believe we have understood how we got here. Okay, now the next thing for us to do now is what? This guy. Let me just so we have done those ones. Okay, now for this ones, okay, let me just even, we have done those ones. Now for this part, now what do we do? It means D is coming out of what? B. Meaning where you have B, you should bring D out of it. Are we following? And you see that there is no other guy coming out of B, so this is the only one. Let me just clear that one out. Do it like this, so we know we are done with that one. Are we following? Now for C has what? Two guys coming out of it. E is coming out, F is coming out. So we come here and we do this. E and what? F. Are we following? Okay, so C, E and F is coming out of it. Now D and E, both of them combined gives G. I mean, G is coming out of what? D and E combined. Meaning D and E, G now come out from where? D and E. Or let's say D or E. So that means I can move this to be G, or I can move this to be what? To be G. But since E and G have to come out, sorry, since G is coming out of both E and D, that means E should meet D. This is what I mean. That means E should meet D like this, so that G can come out like this. Are we getting it? You see I just cancelled this place. Okay, this is the idea. This is the one of the reasons why later I said sometimes you have to draw and redraw. Okay, so you see that E and D meet together to give G. I think that saying it that way doesn't sound nice. The right way to say it is that activity D must end and activity E must end before activity G commence. That's what we have here. Are we following? So we have done all this part now. Okay. Now for the last one. Activity H is coming out of where? It's coming out of F and coming out of G. So F and G will come together. F and what? G. H. Activity H is coming out of what? This guy combined. That means I have to draw my F in a way that it will jam with this guy. Let me even bring the G down. Bring G down so that we meet somewhere here. So this will be G, and then this will be what? F. So this one now will be H. So that's it. Okay, that's it. So if we go back to our diagram now, I think I should make this smaller so we see everything in one screen. Excuse me. Good. So now look at it. A has nothing coming before it. Activity A has nothing coming before it. Perfect. Then activity B has A. That means after A ends, B should come out. Correct. Also, after A ends, C should also come out. Correct. After B ends, D should come out. Correct. Or let me say D should commence. That's a better word. Here. Then after C, E should commence. After C, F should commence. As C ends, E commence and F commence. Then as D and E ends, G commence, meaning D and E should meet so that G can commence. E and D should be completed before G can commence. Then F and G should be completed before H can commence. F and G meet. They must be completed before H can commence. Perfect.